Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be teaching you how you can use the skin smoothing effect on TikTok. So open your TikTok app and tap on the plus icon here at the bottom. And once you're here, just tap on beauty on the right. And as you can see, the first icon here says smooth, tap that. And basically here is where you can adjust the amount of filter that goes on your face. For example, if I slide this to the right, then as you can see, my face is totally smoother. But if I slide it to the left, then it just goes off my face. Now, the small dot here is the average amount of filter that people on TikTok use. So let's just put that there. And as you can see, it's already applied to my face. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.